a number, or a text string in quotes, but usually it will be a cell reference. Then comma, then select the column where you want to search for that value. And typically this would be on a different sheet or an entirely separate workbook. Then a comma, and the column with the value you want to return. So in this example, there's a list of 1,000 employees and their ID numbers. And on this other sheet, you want to find Jasleen Moyer's ID number. So type in equals XLOOKUP, select cell A4, comma, then go to the other tab and select column B with the employees' names, comma, then select column A with the ID numbers, and close parenthesis. And it tells you her ID number. And if you want the rest of these employees' ID numbers, you can just fill the formula down. Where this gets really powerful is when you combine XLOOKUP with absolute and relative references. Say you want to find out the monthly sales figures for these 10 employees. Type equals XLOOKUP and select A4 for Jasleen Moyer's name, then hit F4 3 times to make the column absolute and row relative. If you're using a Mac, that would be Command T instead of F4. Then comma, then go to the complete list and select column B with the names and hit F4 to make that absolute, comma, then select the January column and leave that relative, close parenthesis. Now fill this down to get the January sales amount for each of these employees, and fill it across to get all the monthly sales for each of these employees. And you've created